Okay, good morning everyone, my dear legendary final year students. Heartily welcome for online learning classes. Okay, today a pleasant morning all of you. Uh, Today we are going to start a new topic. This is Krishna, HOD of Zoology, Sri Vasavi Degree College, Mahabubnagar, in Parliament University. Okay, yesterday we already completed digestion mechanism. Today we are going to discussing about very interesting topic. What is gastrointestinal hormones? What are the functions of gastrointestinal hormones? Okay, today we are going to discussing about what are gastrointestinal hormones. Okay, gastro means what? For example, the gastro means stomach. Intestine that means that is called what ma? Gastro. Title is gastrointestinal. Intestinal hormones. Gastrointestinal hormones, or we can call it GI hormones. It is called what ma? GIH. GIH, nothing but. So gastrointestinal hormones, right? Okay, I hope understand. Gastro means what? Gastro means stomach. Gastro means what? Ma? Stomach. Intestine means you know very well. Okay, so already stomach is there. That is small intestine is there. Okay, so this is the what ma? So gastrointestinal hormone, the hormones which are secreted from stomach and small intestine, that hormones is called very important gastrointestinal hormones, right? Very important thing. So I would like to take one attendance short screenshot. Okay, clear? So once I repeat, gastrointestinal hormones. Gastrointestinal hormones, nothing but the hormones which are secreted from stomach and intestine, or simply we can call it. Okay, gastrointestinal hormones is called the hormones which are secreted from alimentary canal, except esophagus. So that is called gastrointestinal hormones, right? It's very important. So it will be asking entrance level and long question will come, right? It's very important thing. So what are the gastrointestinal hormones are there? Okay, what are the hormones of the will explain number one. Number one. So that is called gastrin. Number one, what is the gastrin? Number one, how? Number two, secretin. Number two, secretin or secretin. Okay. Next one. Okay. Next one. Pancreagynin. 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 Next to CCK. Pancreagynin, nothing but Z. PZ. PZ hormone. PZ hormone, nothing but pancreagynin hormone. CCK. Cholecystokinin. CCK means cholecystokinin. Cholecystokinin. Okay, cholecystokinin. Next hormone, that is cholecystokinin. Next hormone, that means gastrin inhibitory hormone. Gastrin inhibitory hormone. Next one, okay, enterokinin. enterokinin. Next one, villikinin, or what we can call it, microvillin. Microvillin. Okay, that means next one. Okay, enteroglucagon. Enteroglucagon. Okay, next hormone, ghrelin. Next hormone, ghrelin. Next hormone, leptin. These are the
ఎంటీరో గ్లూకోబాన్ తర్వాత
what beta?
ఎంటీరో గ్లూకోబాన్ తర్వాత
Enteroglucagon. Next ghrelin. Next leptin. Ghrelin, leptin, enteroglucagon. Okay, right? See what ma? You understand? I think you must be understand this one. What are the hormones? Ma? Gastrointestinal hormones means the hormones which are secreted from stomach and intestine of the endocrine, or the hormones which are secreted from endocrine cells of the stomach and small intestine. Endocrine cells of the stomach and small intestine is called what ma? Is called so what beta? So gastrointestinal hormones, right? Next, so once I repeat, what ma? So gastrointestinal hormones. Bushra, tell me what are the hormones? Tell it.
సార్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ గ్యాస్ట్రిన్,
Okay.
సెక్రెటిన్,
Okay.
pancreazymin,
Okay.
cholecytokinin, CCK, and fifth one is gastric inhibitory hormones, and sixth one is enterokinin, seventh one is villikinin or microvillin, eighth one is glucagon, sorry, ninth one is ghrelin.
Okay. Nice. Very good. Excellent. Right. Okay. So number one, what is gastric? What is gastric? In which condition it should be secreted? In which condition it should be secreted? So see, gastric means, for example, this is the stomach. This is the stomach. Okay, clear? Whether the food material which is enters into stomach, the food material which is enters into stomach, in that condition, okay, the gastric glands are stimulated. Gastric glands are stimulated from the gastric. That means so the stomach is stimulated from the stomach wall, from the stomach mucosa, to secrete the gastric. Once I repeat, very very important. Gastric, in which condition it should be secreted, means whether the food, whether we are engulfing of the food material, the food which is enters into stomach. In that condition, the stomach walls are stimulated. So in the stomach, what happened, ma? The stomach mucosa to secrete the gastric hormone. Right? So that is how to secrete of gastric, right? Now, what is a function of gastrin? What is
Once again repeat.
gastrin means? So, because tell me, beta.
Our last point once again repeat.
Once and I repeat, okay, no problem, right? Once and I repeat, whether food is enters into stomach, the food is enters into stomach in that condition. So our in the stomach, so many walls, so many mucosa is there. Walls are stimulated. From the mucosa, gastrin should be secreted. Clear? Understood? Because
Sir, understand, sir.
right now. Okay, thank you very much. Now, what is a function of gastrin? Gastrin function, remember one thing, this gastrin function, so it should be stimulate the gastric glands. It should be stimulate the gastric glands. Okay, it should be stimulate the gastric glands. Okay, so the gastric gland stimulation, after stimulation of the gastric glands, then to secretion, to what happened now? Secretion of the, to releasing of the gastric juice by the influence of gastric. Two functions are there. Number one function to stimulate, to activate the gastric glands, to stimulate and to activate the gastric glands. Number one. Number two function. So what happened now? To releasing of gastric juice, secretion of the gastric juice from the gastric glands in the influence of which hormone? That is called gastrin. That is called gastrin. So very important thing. Sometimes, so many times ask the question now. So many times ask the question. In which place the gastrin to be secreted? Stomach mucosa of pyloric part. Simply pyloric part. Pyloric stomach mucosa. What ma? Pyloric stomach, from the pyloric mucosa. Pyloric stomach mucosa. Okay, that what to secrete the gastrin. What is the function? Gastrin function to activate and stimulate the gastric glands. Okay, number one. Number two, to releasing of, to secretion of the gastrin by the, sorry, not gastrin, gastric juice by the influence of gastrin. Okay, now, right? Very important. Now, let us coming to the point secreting. Here, one more important point to know, right? So, secreting, what is the function of secreting? In which condition it should be secreted? Very important. Right? Okay. So, in the influence of gastric juice, the food should be digested. Partially digested food is called what? Partially digested food is called what, ma? Partially digested food is called what? What? Kas. Strong. Partially digested food is called what, ma? So that is chyme. That is what, ma? Chyme. Right? Okay. So very important thing. This chyme which is enters into duodenum. Clear? Very important. This chyme which is enters into duodenum or small intestine. Small intestine, very important thing. This secretin is secreted from the mucosa of the duodenum. Mucosa of the duodenum. Very important. The secretin is secreted from what happened now? Mucosa of the duodenum. Mucosa of the duodenum. So in which condition? In which condition, ma? Whether, so the chyme which is enters into duodenum, the chyme which is enters into duodenum, right? So in that condition, from the mucosa of the duodenum, okay, so clear? So secretin is secreted. Clear? Now, coming to the point, what is the function of secretin? Secretin function, very important. So what happened, ma? Number one function to inhibit the gastrin function, to inhibit the gastrin secretion. Okay, now to inhibit to inhibit the gastrin, number one, secretion, number one function. Number two, to activate the pancreas, to activate the bile, that means liver. Okay, na? To activate the liver and to activate the pancreas. What happened, ma? To activate the liver, to activate the what, ma? Here, the secretin is secreted. The secretin to activate the liver, to activate the pancreas. Right? So that means what? Simply, it is responsible for. So, what happened, ma? The bile juice which is delivered from gallbladder into duodenum. Okay, the pancreatic juice which is what happened, ma? Pancreatic juice which is released from which is received from pancreas to duodenum. That is important of second. Simply, first function to inhibit the gastrin, number one. Number two, to activate liver and pancreas. Simply, then next one, the what happened, ma? So discharging of the bile juice from the gallbladder into duodenum, number one. Next, discharging of the pancreatic juice from the pancreas to duodenum, right? So that is important. Okay. Now coming to the point, secretin is completed. Now let us come to the point, pancreatic juice. Pancreatic, that means pancreagymin. What is pancreagymin? Okay, now, right. So whether secretin is secreted, with pancreagymin also, by the influence of secretin, pancreagymin is secreted from pancreas. Pancreas, okay, this PZ is secreted from duodenum and pancreas in the influence of secretin, right? That is important. Now, pancreagymin function, PZ function, what is function? Especially for this pancreagymin function, what happened, ma? It is to secretion of non-enzymic pancreas. Non-enzymic nothing but, for example, glucose, glucagon, insulin hormones are secreted from ductless part of, what happened, ma? Ductless part of, that means hormones like insulin secretion and glucagon secretion should be secreted from pancreatic ductless glands in the influence of pancreagymin. It is this pancreagymin indirectly involved for the secretion of endocrine glands of insulin and glucagon, right? That is important of pancreagymin. Next function. Next one. So CCK means cholecystokinin. Cholecystokinin. C means chole. C means cysto. K means kinin. Cholecystokinin. Okay, it is secreted from duodenum, mucus of the duodenum and liver. Mucus of the duodenum and liver in the influence of secretin. In the influence of secretin. Very, very, very important, ma. So that may answer. May audible and visible. May audible, visible. Bushra, Vikas, Varun.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Right. Okay. CCK means what? Cholecystokinin. Cholecystokinin means it is secreted from where? It is secreted from mucosa of the duodenum. Next, liver. It is functioning on where? It is functioning on liver to activate the liver to secretion of the bile juice. It is functioning on liver. What happened, ma? It is functioning on liver to secretion of the bile juice from the hepatocytes. Right? So that is important about cholecystokinin. Right? Next one. Okay, GIH. What happened, ma? So GIP. That means gastrin inhibitory prohibition hormone. So simply gastrin inhibitory hormone nothing but inhibition and prohibition hormone. That is what now? What is function? It is also secreted from stomach. It is secreted from stomach. And what is the function of GIP? GIP function. So gastrointestinal prohibition hormone function to inhibit to stop the gastrin secretion. Okay na? So very important. Clear? So this is a very important function ma. So two hormones are responsible for the to prohibit to inhibition of gastrin. Number one secretin. Number two what ma? Gastrin inhibitory hormone or gastrin inhibitory prohibition hormone to prohibit the gastrin function. Right? That is important of gastrin GIP. Next, enterokinin. Enterokinin. In which condition? Very important. Right? Whether pancreatic juice secreted and enters into duodenum. From the small intestine. So, the enterokinin is secreted from small intestine. This enterokinin secreted from the food which is enters. Okay. So whatever now, food is enters into duodenum. In that condition, enterokinin is secreted from duodenum of small intestine. Right? So this enterokinin function what? This enterokinin already told you yesterday. Enterokinin to secrete the mucosa of the small intestine. That enzyme is called enterokinase. What ma? Enterokinase. Come on, tell me what is the function of enterokinase? Yesterday I already told you. What is the function of enterokinase? Okay.
Activate the trypsin. No, trypsinogen and trypsinogen enzyme.
Very good. Excellent answer, ma. It activates trypsinogen into trypsin, chymotrypsinogen into chymotrypsin in the influence of enterokinase. Simply to activate the trypsinogen into trypsin, the presence of enterokinase, which is secreted from the mucosa of the small intestine of the duodenum, the presence of which hormone? Enterokinin. Right? Now, I would like to important hormone that is what ma? Microvilli. So this microvilli, okay, so microvillins are, for example, this is a small intestine. Projection, finger-like projections are there. These finger-like projections which are covered by surface of the villi and below microvilli are there. So these are finger-like projections, villi are there. So these finger-like projections. So whether the food which is enters into jejunum from the small intestine, the finger-like projections, villi and macrovilli, stimulation takes place. The stimulation takes place in that condition. From that one, from the mucosa of the microvilli, one hormone is secreted. That hormone is called what ma? Microvillin. What beta? Microvillin. Very important. Microvillin. This microvillin function. What microvillin function? Come on, tell me. For example, here glucose is formed, amino acids is formed, fatty acids is formed, and glycerol is formed. Okay, in small intestine, right? This is a bloodstream. This is called bloodstream. So these microvilli are these are glucose, amino acids, fatty acids after digestion. Already told you. So these molecules, simple molecules which are enters into bloodstream through the microvilli, active transport of diffusion. What ma? That is called active transport. active transport. What ma? Active transport. But the process is called diffusion. So it will be utilized ATP energy, right? Once again repeat. So what ma? For example, after digestion, the glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids, which are enters into bloodstream through the finger-like projections. So that is microvilli and villi to secrete the microvilli. These microvilli to responsible for what? To responsible for two absorption. That means what function? By the force of diffusion, which is to enters into bloodstream through the active transport of diffusion. Right? That is the process is called what ma? Absorption. Simply, what is the function of microvilli? To absorption of the simple molecules of glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, and glycerol into bloodstream. That is a function of what function ma? Microvilli function. Once I repeat, so simple molecules of glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, and glycerol to absorption into bloodstream with the help of the influence of microvilli, which is secreted from mucosa of the microvilli and villi, right? So that is important about what ma? So microvilli function. Next hormone. Next hormone what ma? Next hormone is called enteroglucan. Enteroglucan. The enteroglucan. What ma? Enteroglucan function. Very important. What is enteroglucan? Enteroglucan nothing but it is secreted from small intestine. It is secreted from small intestine and it is responsible for the secretion of glucagon hormone. Once I repeat, enteroglucan nothing but so secreted from small intestine. Okay, what is the function? The secretion, releasing of glucagon hormone from the what happened ma? Alpha cells. Alpha cells. That is important about the enteroglucan. Next hormone. So that is hormone. Next hormone. What hormone ma? Next to hormone. Very important thing. So that is ghrelin. What hormone ma? Ghrelin. Ghrelin hormone very important. Ghrelin hormone very important. In which condition? In which condition ghrelin is responsible? For example, in the stomach there is no any food item. Only empty space of stomach. Only empty space of stomach. In that condition, the ghrelin which is secreted from the mucosa of the stomach, right? Mucosa of the stomach, the ghrelin which is secreted. Okay. So what is the function of in which condition? So come on, tell me. Where the stomach is empty. Where the stomach is empty, in that condition, what happened, ma? So our stomach require food. In that condition, mucosa of the stomach, okay na? So the ghrelin should be secreted. So that's why, what is the function of ghrelin? It is to hungry. Okay na? For example, now 12:20 is there. The 12:20, so after 12, exactly 1 o'clock, what happened na? In the stomach, rats are ringing, but truly rats are not there. But empty space of stomach to release, to stimulate, to release the ghrelin hormone. To release the ghrelin hormone. That ghrelin hormone, what happened? But to be said to brain, compulsory. Yes, my dear friend, you must be eat. You must be eat. That's why whether you are going to hungry. Must be said to mummy, I am so hungry. Both भूख लग रहा है, बागा आकलेस्तुंदी. So mummy నాకు కావాలి తినాలి, sweets తినాలి లేకపోతే అన్నం తినాలి. Mummy, I want please my food. Please give me mummy. Please some of the food material to me like banana, like apple, whatever it may be anyone. So who can say that one? The ghrelin to be said to brain. Yes, the brain to be accept. Oh, my dear friend, you must be eat. Please, you must be. Please, you must be. That is called, the ghrelin is called. Okay, that is called hungry hormone or hunger hormone. Okay, hunger hormone. That means you must be hungry. So this hunger hormone, so not angry, not hungry. So hunger hormone is called what happened, ma? Ghrelin. Clear? Very important. Number one, important, very, very important. So many times asked question. Ghrelin is a hunger hormone, not angry hormone, right? Next, after you must be eat complete food. Okay, like chapati, like curd, like bhaji, like mutton, chicken, whatever it may be, right? Okay, now come on, tell me. In that condition, you must be eat 75% of the stomach. You must fill the 75% of the stomach ingestion, engulfing. What happened, now? Your stomach to be said. You must stomach to be said. Okay, you must be stop it. Whether 75% of the stomach should be filled in that condition from the stomach, one more hormone is there, one more hormone to be secreted, that is called leptin. What ma? That is called leptin. This leptin hormone, what happened? You must be stop the food. Please stop the food. Okay, you must be filling the again and again and again. What happened? You are going to vomiting. Stomach going to problems. That's why when 75% of the food should be filled our stomach from the stomach of the mucosa to secrete from the leptin to say to brain, stop the food. Okay, stop the food, enough of the food. The enough of the food and stop of the food, that signal to be given by whose? That is called leptin. That is called leptin. Stop the food, the signal given to brain, and stop the food, and okay, enough of the food for the. So leptin is called enough of the food, stop the food. Ghrelin is called what, ma? What is the ghrelin function? What is the ghrelin hormone? Which hormone? Ghrelin. That is
Ghrelin hormone is when our stomach is empty, then the ghrelin hormone said to brain that we should take something.
okay, very good. That means hunger hormone. Okay, now hungry hormone, right? Next, so what are the hormones are there? For example, which hormone which is responsible for the secretion of the bile juice? Secretion of the bile juice. Come on, tell me. Secretion of the bile juice. Come on, tell me. Which hormone? Rachita. Radhika. What is CCK? Come on, tell me. What is CCK? CCK means what? CCK means what, madam? Rekha. Tell me, beta. Radhika, చెప్పు ఎవరో ఒకరు చెప్పండి. Cholecystokinin. Okay, cholecystokinin function. What is cholecystokinin function? So it is responsible for secretion of bile juice from the liver. Okay, so one by one quickly review whether food is enters into stomach. Okay, from the mucosa of the stomach, gastrin should be secreted. Gastrin function, secretion of the to activate the gastric gland, secretion of the gastric juice. And the chyme enters into duodenum, secretin secreted from the mucosa of the duodenum, and to stop the gastrin secretion and to activate the liver and pancreas to releasing of pancreagymin and that means what must is cholecystokinin, right? That is function of secretin, right? Next function, pancreagymin. Pancreagymin is secreted from pancreas. Okay, in the influence of secretin, it is to responsible for what? Okay, non-enzymatic action of the pancreas, that is insulin and glucagon hormone function secretion. And cholecystokinin in the influence of secretin secreted from the liver, mucosa, the duodenum and liver. The cholecystokinin function which is secreted from, which is the function secretion of the bile juice. Okay, next one, what am next one? Enteroglucan. Enteroglucan which is secreted from pancreas, which is responsible for pancreas and duodenum which is responsible for the secretion of the glucose. Gone. Okay, next one, what happened? Microvilli. Microvilli, which is secreted from the projections of the microvilli of the small intestine, which is the function that is called absorption of the food material. Next, enterokinin. The enterokinin function, which is secreted from the small intestine, okay, and it is function mainly so to releasing of enterokinase, the enterokinase function to activate the trypsinogen to trypsin, that is responsible for the enterokinase. Next, ghrelin is a hungry hormone, okay, and leptin is just to stop enough of the food. So this is called today topic gastrointestinal. What is gastrointestinal hormones? So what is the function of gastrointestinal hormones? We're asking long question. Very important. Okay na? So and now time is time out. Tomorrow we're discussing about the types of digestion and the review of digestion. Right? So and tomorrow all of you get ready for a 2 minute seminar. 2 minute seminar of digestion. Complete digestion topic is completed. Only small topic there, that is types of digestion. Just 10 minutes. Remaining 30 minutes will asking 2 minute seminar. You must be prepared. Okay now. So thank you very much. This is Krishna, HOD of Zoology, Sri Vasavi Degree College, signing out. Thank you very much.
Sir, hi sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
Sabha came. Sir, sir, Sabha came to my home. We are listening to class.
Oh, Busra. Sabha. Oh, nice, ma. Okay. And get ready for tomorrow 2 minutes. 2 minutes seminar about digestion. Any topic you can take 2 minutes. You must be on your video and you must be safe. Okay, now. Otherwise, I am not accepting your plans. Right? Busra.
Okay.
Right? Okay, now.
సార్ మండే చెప్తాం సార్ సెమినార్
What, ma?
సెమినార్ మండే రోజు రేపు
No,
No Monday. No Monday. Only 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. Not 5 minute, 10 minute seminar. Okay. If it is one class is completed, so then you must be 2 minutes or 1 minute. At least 1 minute, ma. Okay, na?
ఓకే సార్ ఓకే
Thank you, Rajita. Thank you, Radhika. Thank you very much, my loud, terrible students.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
Krishna, HOD of Zoology, Sri Vasavi Degree College, signing out. Thank you very much.
Thank you.